Japan has lodged a formal protest against China following an incident where Chinese J-15 fighter jets locked radar on Japanese aircraft near Okinawa. This escalation in military tensions underscores the fragile balance in the region, with Japan's defense minister labeling the act as dangerous and regrettable. The incident highlights the ongoing strategic rivalry in the Asia-Pacific, where airspace and maritime disputes are frequent flashpoints between major powers. In Southeast Asia, Thailand has conducted airstrikes along its border with Cambodia, following a deadly clash that resulted in the death of a Thai soldier. This military action marks a significant escalation in regional tensions, as both nations accuse each other of violating a ceasefire agreement. The situation underscores the volatility in the region, where historical disputes and national pride often lead to military confrontations. The U.S. National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, has proposed an $8 billion increase over the Pentagon's initial budget request. This increase includes funding for the FAXX program and aims to prevent troop withdrawals from Europe. The NDAA's expansion reflects a strategic emphasis on maintaining military readiness and technological superiority, particularly in the face of rising global tensions and the need for advanced defense capabilities. Northrop Grumman has unveiled Project Talon, an autonomous wingman aircraft designed to operate alongside manned fighters. This development represents a significant advancement in military aviation, offering enhanced mission versatility and the potential to redefine air combat strategies. Project Talon is part of a broader trend towards integrating autonomous systems into traditional military operations, promising to increase operational efficiency and reduce risks to human pilots. General Atomics is actively promoting its YFQ-42A Collaborative Combat Aircraft in the Middle East, reflecting growing regional interest in advanced drone technologies. This initiative underscores the increasing demand for unmanned systems capable of performing complex missions, as countries in the region seek to bolster their defense capabilities with cutting-edge technology. The YFQ-42A's deployment could significantly enhance the strategic options available to military planners in the Middle East. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its stock rise by 2.16% to $181.76, buoyed by the NDAA's proposed funding increase. The additional budget allocation is expected to support growth in defense-related data analytics, a key area for Palantir. This boost reflects investor confidence in the company's ability to leverage increased government spending to expand its market presence and enhance its technological offerings. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a 3.15% decline in its stock price, closing at $278.39. The drop is attributed to geopolitical tensions affecting its drone operations, particularly in Ukraine. The volatility highlights the risks associated with operating in conflict zones, where political instability can impact supply chains and operational effectiveness. Investors remain cautious as the situation evolves, impacting the company's short-term outlook. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, saw its stock decrease by 1.52% to $76.50. The transition of the Blue UAS cleared list to the Defense Contract Management Agency has created uncertainty around the company's future drone contracts. While the move aims to streamline drone procurement, the market is awaiting clarity on how this will affect Kratos's business operations and revenue streams. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, reported a modest gain of 0.86%, with shares reaching $452.20. The increase is driven by the NDAA's funding boost, which supports Lockheed's extensive defense portfolio. As a major contractor for the U.S. military, Lockheed is well-positioned to benefit from increased defense spending, particularly in areas like advanced fighter jets and missile systems, which are critical to maintaining U.S. military superiority. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, saw a slight decline of 0.73% in its stock price, closing at $548.97. Despite the launch of Project Talon, the market response was mixed, reflecting investor uncertainty about the project's immediate financial impact. While the autonomous aircraft represents a significant technological advancement, the long-term revenue potential remains to be fully realized as the company integrates this new capability into its broader defense strategy. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Palantir benefits from increased NDAA funding, enhancing its defense analytics growth. 2. AeroVironment faces geopolitical risks, impacting drone operations in volatile regions. 3. Monitor Kratos for updates on Blue UAS transition impacts on drone contracts.